हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम देखेंगे वर्कबुक का चैप्टर नंबर 4 अर्ली स्टेट ऑफ पॉलिटिकल सिस्टम इन इंडिया। उसकी एक्सरसाइज हम करेंगे आज। ओके, क्लास 6 की। इससे पहले हमने 3 चैप्टर्स देख लिए हैं। तो यहाँ पे फर्स्ट जो है वो मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस हैं। सो आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू रीड दिस क्वेश्चंस, यू कैन डायरेक्टली कॉपी डाउन। ओके, यहाँ पे आप डायरेक्टली इसे कॉपी कर सकते हो। आंसर्स आर गिवन हियर, so you can copy it down. Then second one is filling the blanks, that also you can directly copy down from here. Okay, there are 15 here, 16 fill the blanks are there. Okay, so you can copy directly. Then question number third is put a tick mark in the box against the following statements is if they are true, and cross mark wrong if they are false. Okay, that also you can directly copy. यहाँ से आप कॉपी कर सकते हो डायरेक्टली। ठीक है, यहाँ पे जो क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 है जो उसमें राइट है। ओके, देन फोर्थ वन इज मैच द पेयर, तो वो भी आप डायरेक्टली यहाँ से कॉपी कर सकते हैं। ठीक है, आई एम गोइंग टू रीड द क्वेश्चन आंसर्स डायरेक्टली। ये फर्स्ट फिल द ब्लैंक्स हैं जो उसमें आंसर्स है 5 4 1 3, सेकेंड वन सेकेंड फिल द ब्लैंक्स, देन थर्ड फिल द ब्लैंक्स। ओके, उसके बाद हम यहाँ पे देखेंगे क्वेश्चन आंसर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 is there. Answer the following questions in 1 or 2 sentences. The first one is which political organization existed in the Vedic period. Okay, the political organization name Sabha, that means assembly, and Samiti means committee, existed in the Vedic period. Okay, then second one is by which other name was community known in earlier state. Okay, sorry, earlier state system. Committee was known by the name wish in earlier state system. ठीक है, उसके बाद है थर्ड वन, when and in which area were the early states established in India. Okay, the answer is in India, the earlier state was established about 1000 BC in the era of Punjab and in the area of Punjab and Ganga river. Okay, the fourth one is which type of state system was the Janpad. The Janpad was a state system of ring Vedic age developed in a very special way from the Kabilai rule. Okay, then fifth one is which two types of governance system were there in Mahajanpad. There are two types of governance system in Mahajanpad as follows, that is monarchy and republic. Okay, then page number 40, question number 6. Question number 6 is at present what is considered as the boundary area of Kuru Mahajanpad. At present the region near Delhi and Meerut is considered as the boundary area of Kuru Mahajanpad. Seventh one is which period is considered as the period of Mahajanpad in India. Post Vedic period is considered as the period of Mahajanpad in India. Okay, then question number 8 is among which state was there competition for power. Okay, there was competition among states like Magad, Kosal, Vatsa and Avanti for power. Okay, ninth one is which were the two great kings of the Harankya dynasty. The two great kings of Harankya dynasty were Bimbisara and Adachastru. Okay, 10th one is who changed the capital of Magad and where. The capital of Magad was Rajgiri, that is Girivraj, but Ajasatru changed into Patliputra, and that is Patna, as the capital of Magad. Okay. 11th one is, with whom did Ajasatru fight and extend the area of the state of Magad? Ajatasattu fought with Vaji Union, defeated Lichishawis and extended the area of state of Magad. 12 is, who was considered to be the first Indian emperor? Maha Padmanand, the king of Nanda dynasty, was considered to be the first Indian emperor. 13. Which three power dynasty ruled over Magad in post-Vedic period? The three powerful dynasties ruled over Magad in post-Vedic period were Haranke dynasty, Nang dynasty and Nanda dynasty. Okay. 14 is, what is called republic state? The state ruled by the head elected directly or indirectly by the people is called republic state. Page number 41, 15 question. The state of which people are included in republic states? The Lichichavis of Vaishali, Sakyas of Kapilvastu, Vedyaha of Mithalya, Mala of Kushinara, etc. state of the people are included in the republic state. Okay, यहाँ पे mistake the spelling, so I have not written. Okay. 16 why would the state be called a republic? The governance of the state administration was done by the Sabha, means council, so it is called republic. 17 is, what is scantum? In republic state, the place where meeting was held was called scantum. Okay. 18 which crops did the people of republic state grow? The people of republic state used to grow wheat, rice, barley, sugar canes, sesame, mustard, pulses, etc. 19 is, how were some of the vessels that were found in republic times? Some of the vessels found in the republic times were painted with grey color. Okay. Now question number 6 is, long questions are there. Answer the following questions. Introduce the Harankya. First one is, introduce the Harankya dynasty as a dynasty ruling over Magad. Harankya dynasty was very powerful among the dynasties ruling over Magad. Bimbisara established Harankya dynasty. Rajgiri, that is Giri Vraj, was the capital of Magad in his time. Rajgiri was situated on the bank of Ganga and the Son river. After Bimbisar, his son Ajasatru came to the throne of Magad. He changed the capital of Magad from Rajgiri to Patliputra, that is Patna. Ajasatru fought with his Vaji union, defeated the Lichichavis and extended the area of the state of Magad. Okay. The question number 2 is next, page 42. Why did the rulers of Mahajanpads build strong forts? The monarchy state of republic time became ambitious to establish empires by increasing their power on their surrounding territories. In these circumstances, the rulers of the Mahajanpads built strong and high fort for the stones and bricks around the capital for the defense of their states and had a huge armies. Moreover, some of the kings built large, tall and magnificent walls around their kingdoms to show their power and prosperity. Okay. इसके बाद है क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, स्टेट द 4 कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ द गवर्नेंस ऑफ द रिपब्लिक. द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ द गवर्नेंस ऑफ द रिपब्लिक were as follows. First one, the administration of the republic stage to governed by the Sabha. Member of the Sabha join all the powers. Second one is, elders and youth were selected as a member of Sabha. Third one is, the republic states each member was considered as a king. Every member joined the membership till a fixed period of time. Fourth one is, the place of Sabha was known as scantum. Fifth one, in republic state the presidential election for the state administration was done through election. Sixth one, an executive committee assisted the president of republic in the state administration. Seventh one is, the decisions was taken unanimously by the discussing many important issues like the state administration. Okay, इसके बाद मैंने इसका जो कंटिन्यू पॉइंट है मैंने यहाँ पे लिखा है, डिफेंस, वॉर, ट्रीटी एक्सेट्रा. ओके, इन द असेंबली स्टेट्स. In this way, the governance system of republic state was totally डिपेंडेंट ऑन द पीपल। ओके, ये इसका क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 का जो है कैरेक्टरिस्टिक वो यहाँ पे लास्ट में लिखा है। उसके बाद है क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, स्टेट द ब्रीफली डिफरेंस बिटवीन द मोनार्ची एंड डेमोक्रेटिक स्टेट। द स्टेट, ओके, फर्स्ट वन, द किंग इज चीफ इन द मोनार्ची स्टेट पॉलिसी and in the state. Here the first one is representatives elected by the people area chief in the democratic state policy. Okay, second one is the king is supreme in a monarchy, the head of the president house is the main in democracy. Third one is there are cabinet minister to help the king in state administration. Here the third one is in democracy the cabinet helps the president in the state administration. Fourth point is the position of the king is hereditary, people of the key region elect their रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स। ओके, तो यहाँ पे ये 4th चैप्टर की जो एक्सरसाइज है और बुक की सारी यहाँ पे ख़त्म होती है। ओके, प्लीज़ अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आया तो प्लीज़ लाइक एंड शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब द चैनल। ओके, थैंक यू सो मच।